Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something special for all you electricians out there. The Meguiar-Nicholas 526cc Brown Professional Electrician's Pouch, crafted from premium oil-tanned leather. Stick around because we're about to dive into what makes this the best electrician's pouch on the market. The Meguiar-Nicholas 526cc Electrician's Pouch has been trusted by professionals since 1932, and we're about to see why. This pouch is made from genuine, high-quality leather, ensuring durability and weather resistance. But what sets it apart from the rest? Let's get into the details. Now, let's talk about the key features and benefits that make this pouch stand out. The Meguiar-Nicholas 526cc offers a whopping 12 pockets, providing ample space for all your essential tools. It's like having a mini workshop right at your side. Whether you need to carry a hammer, electrician's tape, tape measure, flashlight, or keys, this pouch has you covered. One of the standout features of this pouch is its easy vertical tool access. You won't have to fumble around looking for your tools. They're right where you need them, easily accessible when you're on the job. This pouch is built to last. It's rivet reinforced for exceptional durability, making it perfect for the toughest jobs. The premium oiled leather used in its construction is rated for all weather conditions, ensuring it can handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it. The 3-inch wide tunnel loop allows you to easily attach this pouch to your belt, ensuring it stays securely in place while you work. No more worrying about your tools falling out or the pouch sliding around. Now, let's talk about the price and availability of this Meguiar-Nicholas Electrician's Pouch. It's available in several styles, including just the pouch, pouch with a belt, and even a version with tanned leather. The best part is, it's currently on sale, so you can get it at a fantastic discount on Amazon. So there you have it, folks. The Meguiar-Nicholas 526cc Brown Professional Electrician's Pouch is truly the best electrician's pouch you can get. With its durability, ample storage space, and easy tool access, it's a must-have for any electrician. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. If you're an electrician or DIY enthusiast, this pouch is a game-changer. Don't miss out on the fantastic deal currently available on Amazon. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Until next time, stay tuned for more in-depth product critiques that help you make the right choices.